Hello, this is ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Today, 22nd of May 2014, we're going to be looking at one of the pairs on the majors. That's the USCAD on the 1 hour chart. We're going to do a top-down approach from the monthly all the way down to the 1 hour using Elliott Wave Analysis. So before we start, please go through the disclaimer, stop and read at your own leisure, as well as the hypothetical performance. Okay, before we let's now look at some charts. Okay, fine. Here we are on the USCAD. We start from the monthly time frame, and I've taken the wave count to start from January the 16th, 2002, that high, and the larger wave degree would be the cycle degree, being in black. So it's wave 1 is down here on the low of November the 4th, 2007. And it moved up to the high, reaching the close to the 61.8% on the Fibonacci. That's its wave 2 here in Roman numerals on the high of March the 8th, 2009. And subsequently, as you can see, we're in a wave 3 of the largest wave degree. The subwaves of the cycle degree is the intermediate, the primary, that's being in red in brackets. So when we projected our wave 3 to end for the degree cycle, the 100% level will be around at 59.27, and along that way, of course, we're going to be gunning for all the smaller waves within. So that's the primary and the intermediate. The intermediate being the green in brackets, the subwaves of the intermediate being the minor, that's in blue, in pink, and then the subwaves of the minor is the minute, which is blue and in circles. So okay, fine, so we've given you that direction. We're looking for a short sell. The overall bias is from the monthly looking very pro Canadian dollar against the US dollar. Of course, this is going to take several years to be able to complete. We don't actually have the specific timelines in play for when it can occur, but just as an idea, it's going to take several years for it to fall through. Now if we move down to the weekly chart, you can have a better understanding. We put on our Tiger Filter Ultimate, which we call TFU, and we use the black line as one of our key points in terms of utilizing where the retracement levels of the 2s and the 4s will be. Right now the black line is very significant for us to make our decisions exactly where everything is. If I could just make that a little bit more clearer, it might help. So you can see the black line here, and if you remember, we had the wave 2 around there, that level. So in fact that wave 2 could probably be moved up to here. That's right, that's where it should be. Okay, fine, so if we move that up, so the wave 2's down there of the primary degree, and we're in a short sell right now already, taking 12 pips in profit, but we're waiting for that move to come down. If we look, perhaps, where is our wave 3 going to end? Projections, of course, this is only but projections, and price can do anything it wants to do. Okay, so for the 78.6 level, we're looking at, I mean, these are dead certain in terms of areas where price probably will shoot to, so we could put potential trades in play around the 50, 61, 78 and 100%, and just take out those levels as they come through. Significant pips along the way, and significant times, if you can notice, but you know, we're here to make some money along smaller trades. So now what I want to do, I want to break it down onto the daily chart, and when I take it onto the daily chart, then you can have a better look to see exactly where we stand, and there's that wave 2 of the primary, as I said to you. So we're in a wave 1 of its subwave, which is the intermediate. The intermediate is the green in brackets, so the wave 1 still has to come down. We've broken up those subwaves as well, so we can have a better understanding of where we're heading, and in reality we've taken it on the smaller wave degrees. And as you can see, the wave 2 of the primary is way above this black line, and we need to move down to the 4-hour chart so we can see exactly where we are right now. Okay, fine. So subwaves excuse me, the subwaves of the intermediate, being the blue in brackets, is the minute, which is blue in circles. And wave 1, wave 2, and we're in a wave 3 right here. So the wave 3, we projected that to end, and the trades that we're looking at the subwaves of the minute, which is the minute wave, which is black in brackets with Roman numerals. Those are the smaller wave degrees, and if you notice, please do try to notice our Tiger filter ultimate, how the wave 2 are always above or pretty close to this black line. We use it as our line in the sand to determine where we should be to be able to take our trade. So we've taken potential trades. We've taken the trade right now at 1.0934, and the stop level initially is here at 1.1130. So what we're going to do, we're going to see how much that is. That's 182 pips, right? And subsequently we've been able now to reduce our stop loss. As you can see, the stop loss has been moved down, and if I move it down to the 1-hour chart, okay, fine. So the 1-hour chart now, if you can see, there's the wave 2 of the minute wave, and the larger wave, of course, is the minute, being in blue in brackets, in Roman blue in circles. The minute is the black in brackets, and its subwaves is the subminute, okay, being in green, being in red, just Roman numerals. But I've left that on so we can have a better understanding where we are. We've taken, you can see price crossing the black line, going up, hitting the 2, making the wave 2, and coming down for its wave 3, coming back up and making a wave 4, right? So once that's happened, we've been able to bring our stop loss all the way down, right, and reduce our stop loss by quite significant, and now our stop loss is, for that initial trade, 12 pips, right? So that's not too bad for that potential trade. We're quite excited about that, and now we're going for the sub-minute for its wave 5, which will complete the wave 3 of its larger wave, which is the minute, meaning black in brackets. We projected different targets here, but if it cuts to the 100%, fantastic, we've hit our level. But as you can see, wave 3 ended there. If the wave 5 ends there, then we're going to see some sharp movements back up. So we're expecting that this wave, this target level, is just going to take a profit, and then we put another target level at the 161.8, which hopefully we can get to, and the other level if I take it to the 4-hour, you'll have a better view of where we see. Yeah, okay, fine. So the move that here, right? So 4, yep. And there's the wave 1. It has to complete its 5 waves, of course, and then the wave 4 will go up. So the minute degree, wave 3 we projected to come down there. We're just going to add on accordingly. Now if we're looking at the 1 hour chart, there's a very strong indication for us to be able to take some potential trades for a short sell right now, bearing in mind that what we're looking for, we're looking at, recently the news has just come out in US, and that's why we can see that kind of spike, which is just taking that level off that this here level coming out at 1 o'clock. So all the effects that's the potential trade. Now we can add on to this potential trade that what we've got, and just probably add on like a potential kind of entry, and we're looking for entries for price to, we've got a very tight stop loss here, knowing that's our wave 4. Our wave 5 is our stop loss is somewhere along the way. We can put our entry as price crosses all these particular candles and just add to it accordingly. So if you want to take any short trade, the short trade possibility would be possible at the break of this low. Let's put it on the right price, so we're not going to get, we're putting it on the bid price. Right, we're on the bid price right now. Let's put an entry for you traders at the low of this. Right, let's put that on a green. Right, so we'll put an entry, we'll put entry 2, right, so we'll put an entry at 1.08920 with a stop level of 1.09483, expecting that to be the wave 5 and the push downwards to complete, and that's 55 points, or 55 pips, apologize. And what we can do, we can put another order in to go south here, and what we'll do, we'll put that order, we'll sell, put a 50k, put it on GTC. GTC means good to cancelled, and that's a stop level. Right, and beware of any news announcements coming through. That's what I've got to make it very clear to you traders. Nothing worse than a news kind of putting out a good potential trade, and we're putting our stop level up here. So that's 55.1 pips. And where are we going to target our first target? If we're expecting the wave 5 to end here, which will be the larger wave sub-minute to come out at 161.8, yes, we can target it to come there. Wave 3 ends at that level. Yeah, that would be a very good point for us to end our order. So we can put our limit order at that level. Okay, and that's 181 pips. So we've got another target here, which we put another target. In fact, what I'll do, I'll color code this so you can actually understand that it's related to this particular trade here. Okay, and we'll put that as a target. Take profit. Okay, so once again we've taken on the 1 hour chart, an entry at 1.08920 with 55 pip stop loss with a target at 1.07108. That's about 168 points. Let's just double check on that. That's close to 182. Yeah, so 1 to 3, just over 1 to 3 kind of risk reward ratio. Okay traders, so I'm ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Thank you, bye bye.